Why is menstruation needed for females? Menstruation is a common process of 28 days of discharge of blood tissue from the uterus cells of a woman's body. Peculiar methods occur periodically in a woman's life, and hence she needs it because it is a lifelong process, only interrupted by the pregnancy of a woman. It is needed because it is a part of female reproductive system. However, it also involves many hormones including sex organs and brains, which make it complicated. The main reason is that once the egg is released from the ovary of the woman's organ, then it gets started and occurs in a monthly life cycle. Another aspect is that when the egg is not fertilized, then it needs to be dissolved with the shedding of hormones. This also leads to the next hormone to be generated in the next half cycle of the menstruation process. All these hormones have an influential effect on the menstrual process. Why does the moon shine at night only? Firstly, the moon is not a light source, so it cannot produce its own light. It shines just because of the sun. Actually, at daytime, the sun heats the moon and some amount of light is radiated by the moon in daytime. But such radiation is of very low intensity in comparison to light radiated by the sun, so our eyes fail to see the moon shine in daytime. At night too, the moon radiates the light because of the absorbed extra heat from the sun. But in night, the sun is not there, so we become able to notice the moon shine. But in reality, it is only the truth that the moon has no capacity to produce light on its own. But yes, it shines even then in night because it radiates light only because of heat absorbed from sunlight. Without having the sun in the universe, we cannot see the shining moon in night too. Why can't mosquitoes transmit HIV? Mosquitoes are famous for distributing diseases like malaria, etc. to human beings. But you will be really surprised to know that mosquitoes cannot spread AIDS virus HIV. Actually, AIDS is spread by unsafe sexual relationships, by injecting HIV-affected blood to the body or by injecting infected injections. No doubt, mosquitoes also suck our blood by injecting their needle-like mouth structures, but even then, they cannot spread such disease. But a normal infected needle can cause so, because in the human body, T cells are present, by which HIV virus gets bound and starts replicating. T cells are perfect, specific host cells for HIV. So by infecting needles, HIV virus is welcomed and transferred into the other body. When mosquitoes suck the blood of an HIV-infected person, HIV gets into a mosquito's gust, where no T cells are present to host such virus. So the virus does not replicate and later gets broken down into the mosquito's digestive system. Why is night meant for sleeping? Sleeping is a process of reckoning one's state of mind and tiredness that keep the human body active. Logically, time is set such that it is worked according to the circadian clock, and also people prefer sleeping as night is taken for granted to be the time for sleeping. Night is meant for sleeping because in darkness, skin pores are open and they also breathe well, which is termed as skin sleep. This makes the skin looks more fresh and bright. In night, the breeze and moon's light makes the environment more pleasant for sleeping. The metabolism of a human body also allows it to sleep after dinner. One another reason for the sleeping at night is that a man needs maximum of 8 hours sleep for a brighter and firmer start next day. Darkness in the night stays for minimum of 8 hours. Hence logically, night is meant for sleeping.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.